Hai guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi my student, nice to see you again. Today we will learn about a new material. Yesterday we are talking about present continuous tense and now we are talking about simple past. Okay? Before we are going to our next material, let's pray together. Nawaitu ta'lima wa ta'aluma wal ifada wal istifada wa tamassuh ala kitabillahi wa sunnati rasulillah. Okay my student, check it out. Okay my student, now we are talking about simple past using was and were. What is simple past here? Simple past tense is the verb tense that is used to talk about things or action that happened in the past. Oke, kalimat simple past adalah kalimat kata kerja yang digunakan untuk mengatakan tentang sesuatu atau aksi yang terjadi in the past. Ingat, aksi yang terjadi in the past, ya. Jadi kejadian yang terjadi pada masa lampau yang tidak ada hubungannya dengan sekarang. Oke, rumusnya ada dua. Subject plus to be, was and were plus non-verb. Non-verb di sini selain menggunakan kata kerja, bisa kata sifat, bisa kata keterangan. Rumus yang kedua, subject plus verb to. Ingat, kita di sini menggunakan verb to. Kalau yang kemarin present continuous tense menggunakan verb ing, ya. Bisa dilihat tabelnya. Subject dan to be-nya I menggunakan was. You, they, we menggunakan were. He, she, it menggunakan was, ya. I was, you, they, we were, he, she, it was. Bagaimana kalau kita rubah kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat positif, negatif, and interrogatif? Kalimat positif, negatif, dan kalimat pernyataan. Example of positive. Ya, kita pertama menuju ke kalimat positif. I was at home last night. Saya berada di rumah tadi malam. Atau semalam saya berada di rumah. Contoh yang kedua, menggunakan subjek we. We were proud of our team solidarity. Kita sangat bangga terhadap solidaritas tim kita. Oke. Contoh yang ketiga, my brother. My brother di sini subjeknya he karena dia laki-laki. My brother was happy of his PUBG game victory. Saudara laki-laki saya sangat senang terhadap kemenangan game PUBG-nya. Ini masih kalimat positif, ya. Next. Bagaimana kalau kita menggunakan kalimat negatif? Ingat, di sini hanya dengan tambahan kalimat not. The first, I was not or I wasn't at home last night. Ya, saya tidak berada di rumah tadi malam. Atau semalam saya tidak ada di rumah. We were not or we weren't proud of our team solidarity. Kita tidak bangga terhadap solidaritas tim kita. Oke. Kalimat not ditambahkan setelah to be. Ingat tadi to be-nya apa? Was and were. My brother was not or my brother wasn't happy of his PUBG game victory. Saudara laki-laki saya tidak senang terhadap kemenangannya dalam game PUBG. Sekarang, bagaimana kalau kita merubah ke kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat pernyataan? Positif. He was at home last night. Dia berada di rumah tadi malam. Negatif. He was not at home last night. Dia tidak ada atau dia tidak berada di rumah tadi malam. Pernyataannya, was he at home last night? Apakah dia ada di rumah tadi malam? Jawabannya, kalau yes, he was. Kalau no, he wasn't. Oke? Was he at home last night? Apakah dia berada di rumah semalam? Yes, he was. No, he was not. Or no, he wasn't. Do you understand? Good. Bagaimana kalau kita tambahkan dengan 5W1H ya? Bagaimana kalau kita buat dengan pertanyaan dengan tambahan 5W1H atau disebut dengan WH question? Yang pertama, what? Asking for information. What are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Where? Asking for place ya. Menanyakan tentang tempat. Why? Asking for reason. Menanyakan tentang suatu alasan. Why do you do that? Kenapa kamu melakukan itu? Who? Asking for people or person. Menanyakan tentang orang atau seseorang. When? Asking about time. Menanyakan tentang waktu. And the last is how. Asking for manner and condition. Menanyakan tentang cara atau kondisi. Contoh kalau cara, how does it work? Bagaimana caranya itu bisa bekerja? Atau condition, how are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? And the answer, I'm fine. Okay, now please open your book, page 72. Dibuka bukunya halaman 72 ya. We are talking about when, where, and who. Kapan, di mana, dan siapa. Okay, the first example. When were you born? Kapan kamu lahir? I was born on the 18th of July 2003. Saya lahir pada tanggal 18 bulan Juli 2003. Second example. Where were you born? Di mana kamu lahir? I was born in Gresik City. Saya lahir di kota Gresik. Ingat, di sini kenapa menggunakan were dan jawabannya was. Dilihat subjeknya. Ya. When were you born? Kamu menggunakan were. Jawabannya I was born. Saya, I menggunakan was. Ingat ya. Subjeknya you menggunakan were. Subjeknya I menggunakan was. Okay. The next example. Who was Albert Einstein? Siapa sih Albert Einstein itu? He was a scientist. Dia adalah seorang scientist. Do you understand? Okay, my student, maybe enough for our lesson today. Don't forget to write down your name and class on the comment and like this video. Stay at home and don't go anywhere. Keep healthy, guys. I will be back soon. Thank you very much. Good luck. And last I say to you, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you soon.